Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at Sci-Fiend's 3 impressive masticating juicers. We're going to show you the small, the medium, the large, and they're absolutely fantastic. These are some of the most powerful juicers on the planet. So if you're looking to make smoothies, you're looking to change your breakfast routine, and you're looking to get healthier, these are great options for you. Each one comes with a cleaning brush. Each one comes with a great book that gives you tips and tricks as well as access to everything electronically. So let's go ahead and check them out and kick it off right about now. First off, we have the SS301. This is a masticating juicer. You have the easy on and off. It's connected to 110. It's reversible, and all you do is put your pieces of fruit and vegetables right in here, push them in. The juice is going to come out, and you're going to mash up the pulp. And of course, if you're new to juicing, that pulp can be used for a lot of things. People make cookies and cakes out of them. They eat it raw. They feed it to their animals and livestock, and it's full of nutrients. Now, Sci-Fiend does include a great manual to make sure that you have the ability to do all sorts of wonderful things. Apple radish, apple pomegranate, pear juice, delicious, delicious products, delicious juices, cucumber juice, tomato juice. There's everything you can imagine. How about some vegetable apple juice? You know celery is great for masticating? All right, folks. So this is the SS301 multifunctional fruit and vegetable juicer from Sci-Fiend. So go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. This is a great juicer. We have the SIF3007. It's a slow juicer by Sci-Fiend. This guy is fantastic. You're gonna put your fruit and vegetables into the top, push them down safely and efficiently, and it has buttons that will indicate reverse, off, soft, and hard. So your harder vegetables, maybe your soft stuff, kind of like a mashed up orange, you can turn it off. And yeah, there's going to be 2 buckets, one for your pulp and one for your juice. And that's fantastic. It's going to strain it through. And a nice thing about these Sci-Fiend products, they're easily cleanable. Each one does come with a brush. You just can take this out, brush it out, and most of these pieces can go straight into your dishwasher. It's easy to set up and it's safe. I love the piano black finish with that gloss. This is fantastic. This medium-sized juicer is good for medium-sized pieces of vegetables. You're talking celery and carrots. You're talking apples and oranges. This is going to be a great juicer for you. Don't forget to check it out. It's Sci-Fiend's slow juicer. It's the 3007. This is the premium Sci-Fiend slow juicer. This one is the Sci-Fiend 3101. This is great for cleaning with the detachable accessories. All you have to do is take them out. That's easily cleanable, etc., etc. Each little piece, easy to clean. It does come with the brush, just like I told you, and of course, the easy to read user manual in English with great diagrams. Then it has your cookbook, if you will. Again, apple radish juice, kiwi juice, pear juice, everything you can imagine under the sun. It shows you how to make. On top of all that, you do have your bowls for both your pulp and your juice. And this one is great because you can put much larger pieces in here. It will masticate down to practically nothing. And look at this stylish, sophisticated look. A beautiful silver, reverse stop, soft and hard vegetables and fruit. And this is going to make a real difference in your life. Again, easy to clean. Sci-Fiend has been in business for a long period of time, and they really know how to make stylish and sophisticated products. This is great and refreshing. It's not so loud, less than 70 decibels. This is a large feeding mouth, elegant, compact design that's going to look good on your counter. So folks, you're going to pick the product that's best for you. The Sci-Fiend 3301, great for small jobs and a cup of juice in the morning. The 3007 Slow Juicer by Sci-Fiend. This is a good all-purpose juicer, great for vegetables, and of course, it comes with all the books and all the things you need. And of course, the Sci-Fiend. This is the Big Daddy, the Slow Juicer, the 3101, Sif 3101. Easily cleanable. Larger products can go in here. You're absolutely going to love it. All right, folks, now we're gonna go ahead and test out the juicer and see how she does. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on hard vegetables, and we're gonna start masticating and see how this looks. Now, obviously, this is a fun project for the whole family. I'm gonna start with a couple carrots and watch them get chomped down. How fun is that? And we're seeing the juicer go ahead and masticate like it's supposed to. Mastication goes ahead and separates all of the juice without wasting any of the vegetables. Now, a lot of people will take this part here and you can use that. It's kind of ground up carrots at this point. It's almost like baby food at this point, but without quite as much juice. So we're getting all of the carrots in first. It's surprising how much juice is in a carrot, right? How fun is this to watch? You guys getting a good view? Yeah, I think so. Next up, let's go with some apples. This should be interesting to watch accordingly. Now the apples are going to really cause a lot of juice, and you're gonna see the coloration change a little bit as we do more and more. Now with this juicer, it's good for your larger and your smaller objects. And let's go ahead and try a piece of celery here. And you can see it really doing a lot of work to push out those solids. Okay, another piece of celery in there. And celery is surprisingly juicy. A lot of people don't realize that. And it's so good for you. This is a great way to get your entire serving of vegetables. And this is going to be true of all your masticating juicers. You can see this is turning a little bit more green as we squeeze out some green apples, some green celery, and everything in between. Now think of all the fun things you can do with this. You can do this with a soft fruit, berries even. How delicious would some berries be in here, right? And again, that celery, you can still eat any part of this. Now apples, you can actually put in the seeds and all if you want, but I went ahead and pulled the seeds out just for my own. But yeah, how fun is this, right? Make juice for the whole family, make a delicious mix, and this is draining out every last drop of juice. And a few more apples. I did 3 full apples and 3 full stalks of celery. And you can see this is doing all the work. All I have to do is push down. All right, just a little bit more apple and a little bit of celery. Celery is so healthy for you, folks. If you don't have celery in your diet, that's something you're gonna need. All right, look at that. We made a full ½ liter of juice out of a couple apples, celery, and some carrots, like 3 or 4 carrots. All right, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna mix it, and I can't wait to give it a taste. All right, folks, I just poured it into this glass, and you can see the beautiful orange that this makes. I can't wait to taste it, and this is a healthy way to start your day. Imagine getting all the vegetables from 3 pieces of celery, 3 carrots, and 3 apples just by drinking a glass of juice. That's really delicious. So, avoid all the calories, get rid of the unnecessary, and really improve your digestion. They say that your immune system starts in your gut. Amy's taught me that a beautiful glass of juice is going to make your day, and she's absolutely right. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Thanks again for watching, and go ahead and pick this up. Adios, amigos.